Ever wonder how to transform your outdoor space into a haven of peace and tranquility? Or perhaps you've pondered the best way to maintain your lush green lawn. M&D Enterprises has the answer to these questions and much more. Let's dive into the world of M&D Enterprises, a company that prides itself on providing a wide range of products to help you create the outdoor space of your dreams. First on the list is MD's selection of Dirksen portable buildings. These structures are more than just buildings. They are the epitome of craftsmanship, handcrafted by Mennonites who are renowned for their precision and attention to detail. These aren't just any portable buildings. They are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering a perfect blend of style and practicality. But MD's offerings don't stop at portable buildings. They also specialize in metal buildings, including carports, garages, and large shops. Whether you need a place to park your vehicle or a multi-purpose space, MD's metal buildings are an economical, robust, and durable solution. For those with a green thumb, M&D Enterprises also offers a large selection of lawnmowers and handheld lawn equipment. Keep your lawn looking pristine with their high-quality, reliable products. And when winter rolls around, there's no need to worry about the cold. M&D has you covered with their Sunfire heaters, designed to keep your spaces warm even in the chilliest temperatures. M&D is more than just a provider of outdoor solutions. They also offer parts and service for quick repairs, ensuring that your equipment can keep you going. Moving on, let's explore MD's selection of storm shelters, barns, greenhouses, and chicken coops. Whether you're a farmer, a gardener, or simply someone who loves the outdoors, M&D has something for you. Don't forget their selection of grills, ice chests, and patio furniture. Whether you're planning a barbecue or just want to relax on your patio, M&D has the perfect products for you. So why wait? Be the hero of your outdoor story and transform your outdoor space into a paradise with M&D Enterprises as your guide. Visit their website or drop by their physical stores to discover a world of possibilities for your yard, porch, or patio. Remember, at M&D Enterprises, your outdoor dreams become a reality. For your best lawn, porch, or patio, we're your people.
M&D Enterprises, where quality meets community.